Hi, hello, good morning, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Oh, so, myself, as you know, Soumendra Nath Singh from Mathpur High School, 1064 is our code. Actually, last day I was talking about the grammar, and today I have already searched that till which grammatical part we have completed, and that document already I have uploaded. Okay, you can go through the today's video, and through the description that you will have there must be a description or available resources from where you will have to know that the syllabus or the grammars we have done. I have seen that narration, voice change, tenses, correct forms of verbs already we have done. So this is our classes from 11 and from 12, but let me check it. As I have told you yesterday, from today I would like to start with you the imperative sentence of narration, because I saw that hasn't been done. So what is imperative sentence narration? Imperative sentence is a sentence where you are asked to do something by a person. That is to request, that is command in fact, request, advice or suggestion or order. Suppose my father said to me, go to the school now. So the transformation will be, my father ordered me to go to the school now should be changed into then. The girl said to me, please give me some water. The girl requested me to give her some water. Again, if someone says, suppose the man said to the lady, do not touch the fire. The man advised the lady not to touch the fire. This is very common rule. As I have told you, you have to just put to infinitive, and whatever the rest of the part of reported speech is left, just put them in. Suppose if there is, the girl says to me, comma, inverted comma, don't go near the fire. The girl advises me, because the reporting verb in present indefinite tense. So here the formula is very simple. When the reporting verb is present indefinite, you have to transform is in present indefinite, and there will be no change in indirect speech. Whereas the reporting verb is in past indefinite, as I have told you, the girl said to me, the girl advised me, the girl says to me, the girl advises me, and the rest of the portion will be the same. Not to touch the fire, not to touch the fire. Okay. Next, there are a lot of examples. I am going to upload lot of examples for you. But as I have come to know that some of your people are asking me about the exclamatory sentences. So let me explain that exclamatory sentence again. And of course, with the exclamatory sentences, I am going to explain you again the imperative sentence. First of all, exclamatory, what is exclamation? To exclaim, to bring out your emotions with such sound, ah, ooh, ouch, alas, bravo. These are exclamation, sound of exclamation. When you are pronouncing this sound of exclamation, in this case, what happens, exclamatory sentences is such sentences when a person is person is surprised, person is in anger, person is in joy, person is a very sorrowful condition. Suppose the boy said, hooray, we have won the match. That means the boy exclaimed in joy that they had won the match. Okay. Next, suppose the boy said, alas, we have lost the match. The boys exclaimed in sorrow that they had lost the match. Look at the changes of the reported speech. They are always the same. Have, had, present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous. But when it comes to the reporting verb, you have to determine whether it is an exclamatory sentence or an imperative sentence. And of course, in an exclamatory sentence, you are going to have an exclamation, sign of exclamation at the end of the sentence. But before that, in the case of imperative sentence, you will not have any exclamation sign, but one thing you will have, the tone of the sentence. The boy said, don't go there. Mother said, always obey your parents. These are your imperative tone, that means command. So when you are asked to give a command, that is imperative sentence. When there is an exclamation sign, that is exclamatory sentence. So try to try to differentiate both the sentences and don't ever try to similarize both of them, because all of the students, most of the students, according to my experience, I'm telling you, most of the students do not even realize what type of sentence it is, whether it is an assertive sentence or interrogative or exclamatory or optative or imperative. There is a clear clarification. In the assertive sentence means the reported verb should be started with a subject. Imperative sentence, the reported verb should be started with a verb or helping verb. Don't go there, come here, wait for me. These are okay. In the exclamatory sentence, there will be a note of exclamation. In the interrogative sentence, of course, there will be an interrogative sign. But in the optative sentence, what is that? That is something different. I will discuss you later on. But today, let me just help you with that. Assertive sentence means the subject, the boy said to me, we love our country. The boy told me that they loved their country. So this is very much clear. Assertive sentence should be started with a subject. Interrogative, there must be interrogative sign. Imperative sentence should be started with a verb, that is reported speech. Always mind the reported. The boy said, go to the hospital now. The boy advised to go to the hospital now. So this is your imperative sentence. When it comes to the exclamatory, there must be an exclamatory sign. The boy said, oh, what a big snake. The boy exclaimed in surprise that it was a very big snake. So this is a very simple funda, and 3 sentences I have discussed with you. Assertive sentence, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. 4 sentences I have discussed with you. And the rest of the part is optative. Try to concentrate on it. Try to go through. I have already uploaded till date what we have done regarding grammar. And next day I am going to upload whatever we have done about our literature. Okay. So the grammar work is here. Take them, try to do them on your own and send me your feedback. Of course, description box, there is leave your comments in between. Okay, beneath the description. I am looking for eagerly for your description or remarks or your comment, because that would enhance me to help you a lot. Okay, take care. See you. Goodbye.